Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. In this unit, I'm going to talk about how I can group different rows in a table. Well, if I can group different rows, the same thing applies for different columns. Well, here, for example, I have a grouping variable telling me that those 6 people belong to the same group. So if I want to assign them to the same group, I can switch to the menu Data and here to the part Outline and then the command Group. If I click this, I got a mark here on the left where I can click on the minus, so at this point either shows them or hides them. So this works decently well. However, the problem occurs when I want to add a different group. Well, as long as the group is somewhere down here, so if at this point I just add group 3, nothing out of the ordinary will happen. I will just get a second way to hide them as well. But what if now I decide to actually add group 2? If I click here, add group and rows, it will just extend or connect the 2 groupings I had made before. That's actually the problem, because whenever I work with groupings, what Excel requires is for me to keep one row out of the 2 groupings, so I always have like a buffer of 1 row between any 2 groups. Well, if I want to undo this, could either click on ungroup, that's one way, or I could have clicked here on undo. So that's also how the ungroup works. I can cut out pieces from an already existing group or make a cut into this group. So that's basically all I can do at this point with the group and ungroup version. And well, as you saw, that's not really a big help, in particular if actually I want to have groups where I don't have like one guy who's actually left out. However, there's a way to get around this, but this I will introduce in a different context. So at this point, that's all on using groupings and ungrouping in the context of Excel tables. I hope you still enjoyed listening to the short unit. And well, there's more where this came from, so you can take a look at the corresponding course or playlist where you find more on this, and I hope to see you soon. Goodbye.